Hi, Victor. So we hear all about chatbots and we think we know a bit about them. So it seems we all probably interacted with chatbots in the past. How has the technology improved over the past few years?
Cool. When we got into the world of NLP, so you're getting into like actual intelligence more so than anything. I mean, prior to that, developers were implementing them by this, then that, if this, then that, all the way through, which is traditional development. But when you got into NLP, like now you started to generate a data set about the article, the corpus, whatever it is that your chatbot had to understand. And it's usually a set of articles or documents or something. So like really the first stuff was it sort of synthesized a bit of what was going on there, and it gave the ability for better answers. Next, it was that it could understand questions as they came in, and that started happening pretty recently, but with natural language understanding, where most good chatbots will take a myriad of different questions and answer similarly to them. Maybe the exact same answers if they're not generating speech after. But the next step of this is natural language generation, so where a bot can generate speech based on some ideas. So maybe it understands the topics or the kind of answer that you would want, because maybe this is strictly a customer service bot and it's transactional and you're like, how much would it cost to ship this to Bradford, Ontario? And the bot may just pull that up and go, okay, to get to Bradford on. So it's generating language, but it can even get better at generating language where it's not just a templated language, it actually generates language that is understandable. Right. That's a next level and slightly more impressive and obviously better sounding to normal people. Then finally, it's like we alluded to, it's talking about machine learning and AI and really serving the best information as quickly as possible, but doing that based on many customer interactions. So it's sort of like a fine wine as it gets better with age. The chatbots themselves will consistently and constantly be retraining themselves based on the answers and feedback that it gets, and hopefully get to a place where it's really, really good. That kind of chatbot, I mean, the fun thing about those chatbots is when you develop them, if you want to make them crazy, you can talk to them crazy. And then they will basically spit back a lot of that same sort of feeling and understanding, right? In the end, what you want to do and where people want to go with these chatbots is sort of where we've gotten to with them, which is an unsupervised chatbot. So you get to an unsupervised conversational AI where you say, here's a bunch of stuff I need you to know, go know it. By go know it, I'm messing up language on purpose here because it's going to go learn, but I didn't want to use the word learn. So go know all this information, understand all the stuff about it, summarize it internally, build yourself a little synthesized engine and brain about it, and then allow us to talk to you about this stuff. So the really good bots, including ours, do that specifically.